Hey guys, today I'm making a random vlog type thing because why not? They're sticky. And by the way, my bumper's mowing and I just got done working out and Molly's coming. And I did my daily workout 4 times and I'm really exhausted, but I want to go swimming, so we're probably going to go to the pool soon. And what I've been doing lately is standing on my hands for a minute against a wall so I get stronger. And hopefully I'll get strong. I don't know, but see when I do something cool. So guys, someone in my family found a little black kitten near where I live, so we're going there right now, and we're not going to school, by the way, so change of plans. And yeah, so we're gonna do that, and hopefully we get it. But he let it free, so we're gonna have to find it. I want it. Guys, we found the kitty. Here it is. It's so cute. It's adorable. Look at it. I'm sorry. You're okay, baby. You're cutie. It's really friendly and all, and yeah. So there was this girl peeking out of her house, and we heard a cat meow, and she's like, my Nana asked if you've seen a little black kitty, and they said yes. It was just in the middle of the road, and then we kept on hearing it, and then my Nana went down and saw something in the little pit area, and she grabbed it, so that was amazing. But the kitty's here now. And Molly's excited, mainly because of the food up there. There's wet food for the kitty, which I put on the ground for the kitty, but it doesn't want it. And Molly was eating it, so I put it up there. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing is chilling with this cat now because it's adorable. How cute it is. Cute. I said to my Nana, well, my day just got really interesting. And it's so cute. And I'm just going to go outside for a little bit and do my handstand for a minute. So. Guys, by the look of it, I am going to my pool. I mean, not my pool, but the pool. So, while the kitty just explores, we don't know what to name it, so comment down below a name you think I should name this little kitty. So, yeah. I just got out of the pool and now I'm chilling. So guys, we are going to my house to feed my chicks. And then we're going to Sam's to get some food. I'm warm and cozy with my phone. Where's my phone? Kitty, you want to come out? Look at it. It wants to come out. Well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I'm just chilling, watching TV. Please subscribe down below and like my video. Check out my previous videos, links down below, and my social media links. And